Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn decoration series using LEDs. So let's begin. For this, we need Arduino Uno, 5 LEDs, breadboard, and a few connecting wires. So over here, what we have to do is to make the circuit, we have to connect all the anode of this LEDs to this 1, 4, 7, 9, 12 pin of this Arduino Uno respectively, and this cathode terminal of this LEDs to the ground. In this way, our circuit will be ready. Now let's move to the code part. In this code, we have used two functions. First is the void setup function, and the second one is the void loop function. In the void setup function, we are using pin mode, that is the pin number 12, 9, 7, 4, and 1 for output purpose. Now in this void loop function, what we are doing is we are actually providing high voltage to pin number 12 for 100 milliseconds, that is equal to 1/10 of a second, and then making it a loop. After this, we are giving high voltage to pin number 9, then we are using the delay of 100 milliseconds and again making it to loop. Similarly, for 7 pin number, 4 pin number, 1 pin number. Now let us see how actually it will look. Now for this I am clicking in the start simulation. As you can see, in this way our amazing series is working. This can be used for decoration purposes and Christmas, Diwali and etc. Hope you will make it and like it. Thank you. Have a great day.